Whoa, windy day it was in Calgary. I'm not in Calgary, I'm out of Calgary. But there's warnings. The wind actually got up to 130 kilometers an hour. Ardie is facing warnings of 150 kilometers an hour. I don't know how a tornado hasn't formed. It's probably just too cold for that. But anyways, yeah, it's really windy. And yeah, windy day. Windows shattered in downtown Calgary. And the city actually closed down. Traffic's been voided out of town. So if you're in the city, oh, I am sorry, but you need to get the hell out. Yeah, well, I know. Oh, hope you enjoy the video. It's a windy day. It's not much windy anymore. It died down here, but it's still down. Pretty getting hard in Ardie. Yeah. So yeah, small kind of kid. Like this video, if you think it wasn't really windy at all.